can also link two screens to ClickShare, more specific to the CX-50 and the Bar Pro. If you are in that situation, a typical installation is that the first screen is linked over HDMI and the second screen over USB-C. All are not converted if your screen does not support a USB connection, but only HDMI. Then we have a list here of converters. So this list is noted under this KB. Take a look at it. If you don't use that one that is on this list, fine. I don't expect too much trouble. But if you want to make sure, take a look at the tested ones. You can also switch the position of the screens, so position 1 or 2. And you can choose if you work extended, which is the standard, or cloned if you are in a situation where you have a screen at the side, for example, so not directly close to each other. So it could be good to put it on cloned in that situation. But otherwise, if the screens are nicely next to each other, typically you can leave it on the standard, which is extended.